Hello, I'm Ravi. In this video, I'm going to show you a graphical installation of Openfiler using VMware. Well, first we need to start VMware. Okay, I'm starting it. Okay, now I'm adding a new virtual machine. Here I am installing Openfiler in VMware using the ISO image of the Openfiler. You can even install using a CD also. As it is open source, it is available at free of cost and you can download from the internet. I'm naming it. Okay, this is the path where it has to be installed. I'm keeping my one path. Okay, next, and this is the disk space. I'm giving us 10 GB. Minimum memory required is 256 MB. You can even customize it. Here I'm customizing. I'm giving us 1 GB, 1024 MB. Okay, and one more thing, it's important, the network adapter should be bridged. Okay, fine, next, that's it. And now it is installing. Just for to install or upgrade in graphical mode, press enter. So I'm pressing enter. Now it's loading bus logic drivers, some drivers. Okay, we can skip this option. I'll make it full screen. Okay, select the language, appropriate keyboard. You can even manually partition, or else automatic partition also can be done. As choosing automatic partition, as there is no data available in it, I'm going ahead with this option. Okay, fine. So this is the boot partition. This is where the kernel will reside and the system will boot from. Okay, this is the swap partition. This is the swap partition for memory swapping to the disk. And this is the root partition, where all the system applications and libraries will be installed. Okay, press next. In my LAN there is a DHCP, so I'm going ahead with this option. Okay, or else you can go manually also. Well, I'm from India, so I'm selecting Asia Kolkata time zone. You can even use UTC. UTC refers to some coordinated universal time. It is a standard time based on international atomic time. So here you need to give a root password. I'm giving my own root password. Okay, next. The root password which we have given is a super user administrator password. With the root account, you can log into the system to perform any administrative tasks that are not offered via the web interface. There is a separate password for the web interface. I'll show you that one. It's installing the packages. I think this installation takes about 5 to 10 minutes. It's showing still 2 more minutes remaining. Okay, fine. Now we need to reboot it. It's rebooting. Press enter over here. Okay, now that we need to log in root, and you need to enter the root password which you have given earlier while installation. Okay, with the root account you can perform tasks that are not offered by the via web interface. Okay, so now I'm checking IP address. As there is a DHCP in my LAN, I got a IP. Else you need to manually give the IP address. ifconfig eth017. I'm giving the same address. Okay, 172.18.4.149. Next mouse. Okay, fine. Now go to the Windows and check the ping ipconfig. Here I got 172.18.4.175. Okay, fine. Now ping 172.18.4.149. Okay, it's pinging. Now 4.175 is Windows. Four dot 175, is that so? Yeah, now it's pinging. Well, fine. So open a browser. I'm opening Mozilla Firefox. Make sure that no proxy is selected. Okay, now just close this one. The IP address of Openfiler is 172.18.4.170.149. Okay, 172.18.4.149. Okay, 446. The GUI runs on port number 446 using HTTPS protocol. Okay, I got it. The username is Openfiler and the default password is password. Okay, this is the interface. Okay, this is called title bar. This is called, these are tabs. This is the work area. This is the menu. This is support. You can even report the bugs. This is logout, status, update, shutdown buttons, complete information about this. Here about the partitions, and you can even change the web interface password. Okay, go to accounts, admin password. This is the current password. You can give a new password. Okay, submit. That's it. Now you can even log out. See, now you need to give the new password. That's it. You can even shut down the Openfiler from here or from here. See, I'm shutting down from here. Shut down. It runs background. That's it. That's it. This is the installation of Openfiler graphical installation. That's it. This is Ravi from iSchool IT. Thank you.